Mr. Algebra 1 Tutor here. Today we're doing lesson 2.3, Practice Properties of Real Numbers, Subtract Real Numbers. So if you remember the last video, we did lesson 2.2 where we did Practice Properties of Real Numbers, Add Real Numbers, but in this video we're going to be doing Practice Properties of Real Numbers and we subtract the real numbers. So today we're going to go through some practice problems and a you try problem since I didn't have one the last video. And for all those new here, here's the textbook, Algebra 1 McDougall Little Michigan Edition textbook. And you can get any state edition textbooks. That's I just put up there for the people who are new to this video channel. And let's go ahead and jump into the practice problems because we already know what real numbers are. And to refresh the memory of what real numbers are numbers where like a set of rational numbers such as like fractions, negative integers, positive integers, and zero. So let's start with the first practice problem. Find the difference. Not add, this is telling us to subtract because it says difference. So let me go ahead and underline that for you guys. So it says find the difference. Oops. Find the difference. Okay, so there I underlined the key term difference, so we know that we have to subtract this. But since we're dealing with two negative integers, let me go ahead and write that up. Negative 20 28 minus, so the minus is for difference. So negative 28 subtracting 40. So so negative 28 is a negative integer and negative 40 is a negative integer. When we have two negative integers in a problem and we're subtracting this, we're going to be doing minus minus, so going to be adding this, so 40 plus 28, which is, let me go ahead and write this, 40 plus 28 is 68, right? Go ahead and double check that. And since we have two negative numbers, we're going to add a negative, so negative 68. Negative 68 is our answer here. So let me go ahead and write that in the box here for your answer. Negative 68. So there we go. I put the answer in green so you know it's the correct answer. So negative 68. Now it says, again, find the difference, but this time it's 8 minus parentheses negative 27. So let's go ahead and write that. Eight minus parentheses negative 27 . So whenever there's a minus before the parentheses and there's a minus in the parentheses, so minus minus, minus times minus, we're going to have a plus. So to remove the parentheses from the negative 27, we're going to turn it into a 8 plus 27. That's interesting. So 8 plus 27. That's simple math. So 27 plus 8 is 35. If I'm wrong, please correct me. So here you can see that I got the answer 35 for the second problem. Let me go ahead and write that as the correct answer as well. 35. There we go. So now that we're done with 2 of these practice problems, let's jump right in and finish up the third and final practice problem, which is 7 minus 11. Okay, so it's a positive 7 minus 11, so plus minus, we're going to be subtracting this. So 11 minus 7 equals 4, but since the greater number has a negative sign, we're going to put a negative. So the answer here is negative 4. There we go. We're done with the practice problems, and this lesson is pretty simple, so this video is going to be short as well. Now that you have a good understanding of how to find the difference with real numbers, subtracting real numbers, go ahead and do this U-try problem. Pause the video and solve this U-try problem. I can read out this for you guys. So it says, find the difference, negative 39 minus 40. So you don't have to do that. It's just, they already do it for you. Step 1. The answer is negative 39. But here, you have to select, how are you going to get negative 39 minus 40 when negative 40 is in parentheses? I put the choices here for you, negative or positive. Negative, minus, or plus. So go ahead and choose one, and I'll go through it in the next video. Again, this was a short video because this lesson is pretty simple and straight out. And if you have any questions, again, please type it in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and share this video. And again, I will be linking the textbook in the description below. Again, we did lesson 2.3, practice properties of real numbers and subtract real numbers. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for lesson 2.4 in Algebra 1. Thank you. This is your Algebra 1 tutor signing off.